Hello everyone, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Wednesday, December 18th, show number 593. Here are the two words for today. The first one is something you eat, and the second one means to like or love. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The apple is red and wet. The apple is red and wet. Here it is, A-P-P-L-E. Did you get it right? The apple is red and wet. Did you eat an apple before? Tell me about it in the comment section. Now let's make a flashcard for apple and remember it forever. Please write apple up here in the top left corner, A-P-P-L-E. Down here in this corner, the category, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. And over here the number. It is 1 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Can you say it? Very good. Pull. Apple. Now let's learn word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob cares about Jennifer. Bob is a man's name. Bob cares about Jennifer. Cares about. This means he likes her very much. Now let's make card number 2 for today. Please make a card like this. Up here, the basic form, to care about. SS means somebody or something. Down here in this corner, VID 1. This means verb idiom, level 1. And over here the number, 5 out of 76. Now I'll show you the IPA. Here it is. Care. Bout. Care about. Please write that on your card up here in the top right corner and remember it forever. Class over. It's time to go. Today we learned an. Very good. Is that a fruit or a vegetable? Correct. And to care about somebody or something. It means to love them and to like them. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is something somebody says. The second one is something we use to make the air cold. And the last one means to fight with somebody, but only speaking, not hitting each other. See you tomorrow, everyone. Bye-bye. And if you are new to our school, welcome. Nice to meet you. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. This is a 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day. Here's our schedule for December, and then we take a break for 6 days and begin again on January 1st. If you want to learn English here, you need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it, nothing else. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Today, February 1st, March 1st, anytime you can join our program. Please learn these. We use them very much. And write your language on the other side of the card. What language do you speak at home? Tell me in the comments. You can find a speaking partner in our program with this hashtag and practice speaking the words that you learn. My name is Vinny Vici. I'll see you tomorrow.